All right, hey guys, welcome back to day 16 of my day trading journey to profitability. Take two. The first time wasn't sound wasn't recording or something, but so here we go. Daily bias on NQ was bearish based on the 4 hour. Same thing on ES here. We do get a break structure here to the upside at 10 o'clock when that candle closes. My daily bias was bearish for the day. So let's hop into the 1 hour, see these highs and lows marked out here in blue and green. 1 hour, you can see price immediately on market open sweeps these highs. So that's good. That's in line with our bias for that. Up in here, look for a retrace. I'm going to retrace here, but price pushes higher. So we wait for a retrace here. And at 10:05, once that candle close is at 10:10, I'm looking, hopping into the 1 minute. So hopping into the 1 minute here. So 10:10, price looking for fair value gaps or something like that. We get this one here. Price never really pushes up into it a whole lot, so I didn't take a trade off that. Then we see this one down here. We see price pushes up into that a little good bit for a couple minutes, and then we get a break structure on this candle here. So I go short there. I put my stops above this fair value gap just because this risk reward was pretty good. It was like a 1 to 4 if it was up here. So 1 to 4, 5, 6 there. So I'm pretty happy with that. So I moved that up there just to give me some extra leeway. But you can see price just kind of bounces up and down, it consolidates or whatever you want to say, and ends up breaking out and just kind of moving up a little bit. But I had an issue today trying to set my stop loss and take profit. So I actually closed out right about here in $150 in drawdown, just because it wouldn't let me set my stop loss or take profit for some odd reason. But yeah, that's the trade I took on ES. On NQ, it's a pretty similar situation. You can see on the 1 hour, daily bias was bearish as well. You can see price pushes up. This is that news candle here. These two, price pushes up, sweeps these highs, which we were wanting to see. We get a retrace here, but price pushes higher. So again, I wait for the retrace here. 10:10, just like ES, hopping into the 1 minute. Boom, 10:10, all the way up here. I'm looking for a fair value gap. See a couple, but none of them really get respected. So I get this mini one here, but price doesn't push up into there. We get this one here, but price breaks through. Pretty much same thing happened here. Price breaks through up here and just continues up, and nothing before 11. So no trades to take on NQ today. So that's one thing I might do, is just start leaning towards NQ. It has been a lot cleaner price action lately. And all the trades recently I've taken that have done well have been on NQ. So might look into just doing that, just trading on NQ for a little bit, see. But we'll see what happens. Like I said, we had news this morning at 8:30, but that was pretty early on, an hour before market open, so I was still willing to take a trade after that. But we did get these two. Did get some pretty big candles up here, just a bunch of green. So, I mean, based on that, maybe I shouldn't have traded today just because of news and this big impact it had. But that's something to look at. Maybe hop into here, see. I mean, this is very high. 7, very high. 9, 10, very high. 10. So I probably shouldn't have traded today, to be honest, just because of this news, even though it was early on. But that's something to learn from, especially when news, I'm pretty sure, came out bullish for the day. So need to take that into consideration. I didn't. I don't know why. the price was pretty similar to the estimates and maybe a little bit higher as well. So need to take that into consideration when trading. But yeah, took a loss about $170 today, 150 on this account and 20 on the other account. So not the best, but we can learn from it. But yeah, day 16 of my day trading journey to profitability. Thanks for watching.